I can't believe you swear it to me like that, and that is very rude to me. But anyways, welcome back to the frightful K9 OS Forky. What can I help you?
I want a Toy Story for wallpaper.
To change your wallpaper, go to settings.
I know what to do. Stop telling me what to do.
Then, click on change wallpaper.
Oh my god! Shut up! I already know what to do!
I'm sorry to say this, but you can only have a Ryan Grounds Theo wallpaper.
But I don't want a Ryan Grounds Theo wallpaper. I want a Toy Story for wallpaper.
Still no. You can only have a Ryan Grounds Theo wallpaper. And that is absolutely final. Listen. No. Okay. Fine. I can only give you a Toy Story for wallpaper. I hope you'll calm down right now. Jesus Christ. Now stop complaining. There. I changed the wallpaper into Toy Story for wallpaper. You happy now?
Now that's more like it. Thanks for your help. I am going to the internet because I love the internet. Why is the search engine into Bing? Bing sucks. It should be Google or Yahoo. I am also saying that the search engine is malware.
Well, the reason why we are using this search engine on this OS is because we cannot use third-party search engines like Google, Yahoo, Trovy, or any other search engine. Anyways, just type in something, and I will search it for you.
I want to go to GoAnimate.
GoAnimate isn't accessible on this browser. It is replaced with Beyond, and there it is.
Well, this looked the same like GoAnimate, except for that the name changed from 2 years ago. Anyways, I am going to make a free trial.
I'm sorry, but you need to pay $500 per day to use Beyond free trial.
This isn't even the real internet. Why bother putting it on this OS? At least there is YouTube, so I am going to watch YouTube videos. What? I can go to YouTube. Why is that?
Because people are watching grounded videos out of me, so I am not giving you access to this application.
Well, that sucked. I am going to watch some regular videos.
I am sorry, but you got the red screen of death. Please restart your PC.
Well, that was strange and weird. I am restarting my PC now once again.